going forwards, the kids are with you. They're off school and they're all going to be hanging around in the house. So what a really good time to be able to do things together. And one of the things that you can do together is group relaxation. It's probably something you've never tried before, but the most interesting thing is that kids are really good at relaxing. In fact, when given the opportunity, they're even better than adults. So what would be really good is if we grab everybody and gather everyone around to just watch this video. This is the introduction video to the group relaxation session that we are all going to do together. The relaxation probably will take about 25 minutes, and it's only 25 minutes that we all need each day to be able to get ourselves in a really good headspace, to kind of get ourselves motivated, to feel better about things, to kind of feel calmer, feel more in control, to get motivated to do things, certain things that you wanted to do anyway, just to get into a really kind of mind clear space to just help you all get on with each other as well, help you communicate better and all those good things really. So it doesn't matter how much space you have got or haven't got. Really, all you need to do is just a simple setup. You need to set yourself up like this. I'm going to turn the video around so you can see what I've done. And I've done it on my kitchen floor. So you can do this anywhere in the house, because actually when you play the video for real, all you have to do basically is all shut your eyes. So you don't even have to see me. So you just need to hear me, and that's all. So it doesn't matter where you're lying. As long as you can hear me, that's all you need to do. Okay, so let me just show you the setup that I've got going on here. Okay, so as you can see, this is my kitchen. And all I've done is literally put a yoga mat down like that with a little blanket, and you need a pillow and a yoga mat and a blanket. If you don't have a yoga mat, just anything like another blanket down there will do, but make sure you have a nice pillow for your head and also have a blanket for your body, because when you start to relax, your body temperature can start to drop ever so slightly, and so it's just nice to have you feeling all cozy and comfortable. So you can do this everywhere, wherever you are, whatever your room you're in, just everyone kind of line up together. Just find some floor space. I've done it here where it's diagonal, so if there was 4 of you, obviously you could just stick the yoga mat in a different kind of layout, and we can all kind of relax together, and that's all you need. Perfect. To enroll on the online relaxation class, just simply click the link in the comments and I'll see you there.